Let me put the message in the group that I'm live now. By the way, you can put like start putting the question right now in the chat. Okay, so let's wait for some time until few more people will join in. Meantime, let me share what exactly I've been working on. So right now, yeah, there is a quite popularity on my channel about the Evilginx and the reverse proxy, modelish, and everything. Okay, but those has crazy limits. Uh, the people who like use it on regular basis will only make sense and they can relate that yes there are issues. Otherwise, if someone is new and they are using like not that often, then they might say that okay there are not that much issues. But I really identified the issues and I thought let's create our own project with fixed issues. So that's why I created my own project, which is Evil Punch. Okay, it's not the Evilginx. Evilginx is designed into the Python, in the Go language, and the Evil Punch I designed is in the Python. It's not complete yet. It's been only 3 days since I have started this project. Uh, I'm pretty much thankful to the developers who are contributing in this project. It is developing really fast, but let me show you how exactly it looks like so that you will get like a little bit idea what is happening here. Okay, just give me 1 second and let me start the project. I hope you can see my Google Meet screen. Okay, this is the only way I can share my Mac screen. There is a little bit issue in my Mac, that's why I'm not able to stream from the Mac, but definitely you'll be able to see my project. I know there are a lot of people like I'm not replying to their messages, but last 4 5 days I'm not replying to anyone's messages. Okay, please try to understand that, and I will replying by today because I was working on this one, so that's why I was not replying. But this will be complete in like 2 days. Okay, it's like very few things left, and the team I got from obviously my channel, which is like helping quite a lot. So we are just going to develop the base, and we are going to leave it to you guys so that you can take it from there. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. What is happening? Okay, let me just take a glance at channel. Okay, great. Okay, so this is how it looks like initially. There are a lot of things that needs to be added in the dashboard, but let me show you the quick features. Okay, so basically obviously there is a one thing called proxy domain where you can add independent domain. Okay, so right now in the Evilginx you can add only one domain and you can use as a subdomains for the multiple hosts in case you are hosting the multiple fishlets. But in this case you can add multiple domains, and sorry, there is a no limit how much domain you can add. So right now I have xt.in, which is a again independent domain, and then xx.in, which is independent domain. Okay, these are not subdomain, these are two different domains. Here I can add hundreds of the domains. Each domain can get automatic SSL, or we can add our own private SSL or self-sign SSL. And I recommend adding the what we call wildcard SSL certificate. Okay, you can activate domains, deactivate the domains. Similarly, you have the fishlets. In the fishlet, you can use, by the way, these particular things. In the fishlet, you can decide if it is active or not. You can write the fishlet. Here I have changed the format little bit because I needed to include a lot of additional information. For example, we have the target URL, we have minimum version, these are the same as the Evilginx. We have the proxy domain, which is different because hence we are using multiple domain, we need to include the proxy domain also. And yeah, there are few things. Let me show you quick demo. Obviously there are videos going to be coming on the channel about this, but let me just show you the quick demo. Let me save this one. Okay, let me go to the DNS server, start the DNS server on 5.3. Then proxy server, obviously we are going to start on the 443, and let me show you how it will work. So this is one website that we proxied. So here it is loading the fluxed upside on x86.in, and let me start xt.in, and here it will be loading the different website, which is the rollout website. I have intentionally disabled the images just to reduce the chaos, but you can add those images also if you use the proper subfilters, right? So yeah, can you see I have two different websites on two different domain, and I can add like unlimited domains, and I can create multiple links. Now there is a lot of difference between what this tool is and what the Evilginx is. Evilginx obviously is there. I have inspired by Evilginx, so I took some inspiration from the Evilginx and built this tool. This tool is not going to be as fast as the Evilginx, because Evilginx is complete in a different language, which is Go language, right? And Go language is like crazy fast when it comes to the concurrency. This tool is designed into the Python, so that's why it has a little bit limitation that it can't be faster as Golang. But yes, there are a lot of things like caching that we can enable in this one, which will improve the tool. Now the thing is, lot of people are not that much technical, okay, and a lot of you guys like graphical user interface. So this is what the graphical user interface is. You need to only start on the terminal, and once it is started, you can operate every single step from the dashboard right here. Right now there are things needs to be added in the dashboard, like captured sessions and Telegram, Discord and Slack integration. But yeah, this is what we have done in the 3 days, okay. And we have load tested also, and on the server also it works really fast, okay. And now let's come to the important point, which is safe browsing mechanism, Google safe browsing mechanism. Yes, it is able to bypass that mechanism also, okay. Obviously this project is going to be coming on the GitHub once it is completed, so don't worry, don't think that I will be not posting this project online, I will not sharing with you, don't think like that. It will be available definitely on the GitHub also. Obviously it will be available in the course also, but yes, the GitHub also. And those who have already got the course will be on my preference list. By the way, if you want something to add in this one that you feel that it is not in the Evilginx, then you can suggest me. I will basically put into the team group so that they can think on that one. But the very basic thing we targeted in this one is expandability, because in the Evilginx, if someone wants to modify, it is not straightforward job, because not all people understand. But in this project we have created the structure in the way that we can just show you, okay, in this file if you do this one, this can happen, okay. That much simple we have done. So expandability really high. The second thing is multiple domain support. A lot of people were asking, like, we need to change the domain every single time, we need to change the domain every single time, we cannot use multiple domains. So here we go, you have multiple domain, you can host exactly same fishlet with the 100 domains, or you can host the 100 different fishlet with the 100 domains, okay. The second thing is technical issues. A lot of people were complaining, like, we don't know enough technical things to work on this server, we need something simple, give me some automated solution, okay. So yeah, this is the automated solution. By the way, in this dashboard we are going to implement the Gophish also, so that you can just add SMTP here only, and everything will happen like in single dashboard, you don't have to go anywhere, okay. And the fourth and final thing is custom like, I don't know, like ability to customize, okay. Like, can you see right here the proxy domain, sorry, the proxy host. So right now it is saying 443, right? I can change it to any, like port 80, I can 8000, whatever it is, right? That wasn't allowed in the Evilginx. Not only that, the DNS port is also there, and there are a lot of configuration that we can allow, but right now, hence it is just in the testing phase, I am not allowing too much configurations. Even in the menu, can you see there are not that much thing visible. Okay, but this is small demo. Okay, this is how it looks like, and this is the way it is going to be. Okay, it's been just a 3 days since we have started this project. So yeah, that's what we have done in the 3 days. Imagine what we can do in the 1 month down the line, and hence this code is really organized. If you just add into the ChatGPT or something, ChatGPT can take over the project and do whatever the modifications you want. Okay, is that simple. Okay, great. Let me go to the comment section, because as I was explaining this one, I forgot to show the comment section here. We got one comment from without warning. Hello Flux, how are you doing? Yeah, I've been working on this one, so that's why I wasn't able to. I know like you guys are messaging a lot on the personal, but yeah, I'll be replying as soon as possible. Bro, do I have required a mod to capture the cookies because there is a issue using the Evilginx community? Yeah, definitely there is a issue with the Evilginx community, but right now I'm not focusing on the Evilginx, as I am working on this Evil Punch. I feel like Evil Punch has more edge as compared to Evilginx, so that's I've been working on. But coming to your question, it is not necessarily needed to have the mod. With the even community version, you can uh, actually take that cookies also. Might be there is a issue in the your fishlet. Please try to put on the fluxset.com so that I can answer it. Okay. Dio, okay, hi bro. Remy is saying hello Flux. Where can we contact? Uh, yeah, you can contact me on the Telegram, but right now there are too much crowd on the Telegram. Uh, so when you contact, just mention in the line that we have talked on the YouTube comment, so that I can check your message really fast, because I have like 200 chats pending. Okay, 200 chats pending. So if you message me and it goes into the down chat somewhere, then God helps you. By the way, you can find my Telegram account on my channel also, or you can type FLUXX03. I can type in the chat also. Let me try t.me/FLUXX03. FLUXX03, yes. Yeah, that's my account. Let me check. Yes, that's my account. Okay, now this will get a look to the tycoon we talked about. Okay, yeah, but like this comes with the lot of things that I am not really fan of. For example, it is going to be catching unwanted attention from lot of things right now. Hence I have produced the content around the Evilginx right now also. Like I get a lot of issues, right? So imagine after completing this project what will happen, right? So yes, definitely there will be challenging. It's getting similar. What is getting similar? Yeah, see, the inspiration is from the Evilginx, so yes, definitely it is going to be somewhat similar to the Evilginx. I'm not saying that I'm unique or something, but what I'm trying to say is I'm going to tackle those problems which Evilginx has, and they are not focusing on that problem. Okay, I'm going to solve all of those problems, and hence it is in the Python. Lot of people can relate to it, and a lot of people can modify it as compared to the Golang. Golang is a pretty much good like new language, and it's not that much common. Someone has requested or something? No. Yeah, Golang is quite a new language compared to Python, and that's why it is not much popular. And because of that, like people are not able to work on that source code. If even if someone wants to create simple dashboard, then also they have to look for the professional people, because they cannot simply do it. But if you talk about this particular evil punch, even if you load into the chat gpt can guide it really easily, because all of these models like chat gpt, gemini, cursor ai, or whatever it is, all of them are like pretty much good on the python, because there is a open source project database where the python is like number one king. Okay, so it is going to be like way much better. Okay guys, please start putting the questions. So you saw the tool, so we will move away from the tool as of now, because it will take 2-3 days. After 2-3 days it will be available on my github, and as soon as it is available there will be videos on my channel how to use it. Okay, great. Yeah, please start putting the questions in the chat box so that we can have a look at it. By the way, I like encourage you guys, like ask as many as you can ask the questions on the fluxit.com. Right now it is proxied under the xxx.in, but it is a fluxit.com site. You can ask as many questions you want. Okay, I'm always here to answer your questions. Please check around. Okay, also you can check how well this tool is working. It is automatically, I don't have to add any additional subfilter rules, still it is proxying whatever the domain is coming right here. Okay, so that's pretty much good. By the way, check the tools also. In the tools also we have added a lot of things: the ip checker, the domain dns checker, dns record checkers, and etc. Let me open the original website, otherwise people will think that this is the website. fluxit.com. Yeah, this is the original website. Yep. Yes. So in the original website you will find all of the tools in the left corner or in the top tool icon right here, and here we have added some tools. In case you need like more by the way, these all tools are requested by you guys. I haven't put any single tool by myself. All of these tools were requested by some obviously I put the first tool, which is Google Doc, but after that whatever the tools are there, all of these tools are recommended by the people, and for like on the request I have added in this one. Okay, so few days back I have created one Google form, and in that I was asking for suggestion and everything, so people were mentioning a lot of things. From that only I am trying to improvise and add this stuff so that you can use it. Okay, and there are a lot of things. Great. Can this tool support the custom fishlet? Yes, definitely. You can customize the way you want, and it is hence it is coded in the Python. It is pretty much like you can say expandable. Okay, let me show you. So right now it is like evil punch core, and you can say, by the way, this tool is using proper database. Okay, if you check my models.py, this is the database tables. It is using like proper database to store the things. So whatever the things were happening with your older Evilginx, that won't happen with this one, because it is using proper database, and database signal can be used to do lot of customizations. Previously, if you want to get the notification on the Telegram, then also you have to listen for the certain events, so that you can send the Telegram notification. But in this case, you can just listen for only single signal from the database, in case you are using PostgreSQL database, and it will like work like fluently. Okay, and yeah, you can use the remote database also. That's the beauty of this one. And by the way, can you see the whole tool is like separated in the functions. So in the URLs you will find the all URLs for the tool, so that you can, if you want to backtrack something, you can track it. In the views, yeah, whatever the basic function of the tool is, all of these things are added in the views, and each has the explanation along with it, so that in case you want to check something, you can really easily check it. Then DNS server is separated so that you can check it right here. You can just fed this DNS server file to the some AI, and it can make sense out of it. Then HTTP server, which is separated again, and it is on each function every single explanation is given there, so that you can just read it and expand the function by yourself. Okay, for every single function, whatever the helper functions are there, it is also separated. Basically the whole code is well organized, so that you can just like plug in that code into the Cursor AI or Gemini or GitHub Copilot and expand by yourself, extend by yourself. Okay, it is like crazy simple to extend this particular tool. Okay, great. What's up, brother? Send me your personal info, brother. I'll pay you for your time. There are a lot of people are waiting for that, by the way. But hence I was working on this one. That's why I wasn't able to do it. By the way, you can find my Telegram access right here in the chat that I have pasted, and you can contact me from there. But make sure that you mention there that you are from the YouTube comment. Okay, sorry, YouTube live. So do we conclude that this new project is the Evilginx web version? No. This project is Evilginx web version plus it has lot of things which Evilginx doesn't. Okay. Yes, basic idea is like reverse proxying the website, right? That's the basic idea is same. But that basic idea is same into that particular Modlishka also, right? That basic idea is there also. But whether you will be able to use the Modlishka for your use, no, you cannot. Evilginx, yes, you can with a certain extent. But whatever the Evil Punch I am talking about, yes, it is inspired by the Evilginx, but it has broken the chains whatever the Evilginx has. Okay, there were limitations around the domains, it has changed that. There was limitations around the bypass, it has changed that. There was limitations around the stealthness. In case I am using Evil Puppet like Puppeteer, I can integrate Selenium and Puppeteer in this one. Straightforward. If you want to do it in the Evilginx, it was like crazy pain, and even if after that crazy pain you will be not able to do that, and there will be a lot of errors. In this one, if you want to integrate like Evil Puppet or something, you can just plug in into the chat GPT and it will give you like really nice script and it will work with this one. As simple as that. Okay, and everything is like designed in that way that you can extend. You will understand once the source code is out and you will be thanking me, trust me. Okay, you right now you're thinking that okay, this is just another project or copy of the Evilginx, but once you try to look into that project, then you will find okay, this is like infinite poly, you can extend in any direction. Okay, send me your personal info, brother. I'll pay you for your time. So do we conclude? Okay, I need help with the Evilginx. Yes, a lot of people need help with the Evilginx. Yeah, please put your question into the fluxet.com in case it is like generalized question. In case it is something sensitive, then what you can do is you can put on my Telegram. I have pasted my Telegram ID on the chat. Okay, please ask me more questions, guys. Please ask me more questions. By the way, this is just 3 days of working. Okay, whatever you see here and whatever the functionality I am showing you, this is just 3 days of working. Okay, so don't judge quickly that this tool doesn't have that nice dashboard or the menu doesn't make sense and that all, right? Everything needs to be arranged proper way. Okay, right now we are just doing trial and error thing. Okay, every time I set up my station, I keep having the issue with my SSL certificate. I need help. Yeah, definitely. Please put your question on the fluxet.com, or in case you have the course, connect me on that personal. I can see your okay. So let me just show you my Telegram link one more time. My username is FLUXX03. That's my username, and I will be replying you after this live. So make sure that you mention there that you are from the YouTube live. Okay. By the way, if you guys want to contribute in this project, just send me that I want to contribute, and send your GitHub email also. Right now I have picked the people, 5 people to work on this particular project, and they are working like really good, really good. I wasn't expecting that one. uh, I know not all people are expert in the Python, so that's why I didn't took too much people, because it will create the chaos. Everyone wants to integrate their own logic and own ideas, and something that happens always. So that's why what I thought was I will use the 5 people first. We will launch that project on the GitHub. Once that is launched, then initially whatever the 5 peoples were, they will start contributing on the GitHub, and after that, like once it is open to everyone, you all of you guys can basically start contributing. Right now it is on my personal git. Right now it is not on the actual git of the GitHub. It will be available in 5-6, for not 5-6, like 3-4 days, if I get proper time to work on this one. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the future of the Evilginx, you can say. And I'm not sure how much support I will be getting from the original author of the Evilginx. He might say that I have copied, but yeah, I have made it little bit better. That's great. Guys, please start putting the questions. Right now my throat is also not that much good, so I'll be ending the stream little bit early. So please start putting, in case you have like a really important question, please start putting the question in the chat box. I will answer right away. Chat box is here. Okay. By the way, if you go inside the Evilginx fishlet, let me show you how exactly right current fishlet is looking at. Okay. Can you see it is saying host to proxy? Inside that there are hosts. Obviously it has allowed to proxy whatever the you add, but by default is proxies all of the host in the backend. Then in the filters, can you see the filters are extended to the single page? Even if you want to make some changes in single page also, then also without affecting the whole website, then also you can do those changes. The cookie capture is not more dependent on the auth URLs. It can be captured independently also, and there is no need to add anything. By default it captures the all the default cookies. Okay, then there is inject.js is also improvised. I won't say that it is much improvised, but yeah, it is also improvised. By the way, in this configuration you can add more things like user agents and that stuff, but it is still in under the development. That's why I haven't added this one. I thought not show all of things in the demo, because in case it doesn't work after 5 days, then you will say okay, you showed that and it's not working now, right? Sorry, I got some questions. Let's see. Hey, when I made a fishlet for Dropbox using your videos, after entering the password, my fishlet domain, I'm hit Dropbox up that the domain isn't real. Is it a fishlet or domain issue? It's neither. What is happening is right now your phishing domain is getting leaked inside the body, and which is getting reported to the Dropbox somehow. Okay, so either it is happening inside the post body, and neither the fishlet has the ability to intercept that, nor your the domain. Okay, so forget, nothing is there. What you need is basically modification of the source code. So by the way, in this my project, you can really easily intercept the things which is leaking in the body, and it will replace it. Okay, that's happening right now also in current demonstration also. Okay, that's really great. Yeah, so basically you need to modify the source code to prevent whatever leaking in the body, or at least whatever the leaking into the body, replace with the original thing. Then only you will be able to work with the Dropbox. Can you answer, bro? Where? Telegram? I will answer after the live. Okay, Flux, I think it would be great to create an interactive group where members can connect, share the ideas, and work together to find the solutions. See, I really appreciate your thought that we can collaborate and work together, every single people. But trust me, last time I did, when like there were like only 200 150 people in the group, people started spamming each other. Okay, they started like literally spamming each other. Like I'm not sure how many people were blocked on the Telegram, but they started spamming each other. And I also afraid that okay, there are a lot of the content which is not perfectly legal which is coming on that particular group. That means I am also kind of guilty of that, so I might get into the trouble also. So it's better to put everything in the public domain, which is a generalized. That's why I have given the website right here. If you want to contribute idea, create one section here like ideas and add the section there. Can you see the people are already contributing to each other, right? Answering each other's question, sharing their contact information, getting into the touch, like solving the problem. People are already doing that. Okay, you can do on the website also. For sensitive stuff, you can directly contact me on the Telegram, right? I have already given the liberty. Can you see how many people are contributing? See, on this question there are 4 people, this 4, there 5, there 6, right? So a lot of people are already contributing. If they are facing similar issues, then yeah, please go ahead. And even you can create one section here, ideas. In fact, I can create a right away, like I can create one section called ideas there. I think I need to stop sharing my screen. I can create section ideas there, you which you can directly use it. Okay, you start using it to put ideas. Okay, I'm not banning you from something, right? The only thing I afraid is to getting information on the public domain which not supposed to go there, and finding me in between that is really problematic, because I'm like long term thing, I am planning for the long term. I don't want to get banned in one day or something. Okay, I will add by the way this ideas section there, so that you can contribute in this one. Just give me 1 second. Next question. So that's bad. I understand now. Great. I think it is best to create the Discord community. I lot of heard about the Discord communities, but hence I've been not using the Discord myself. I am having like a really hard time to understand what is happening in the Discord, where I can block the user, where I can create the rules, where I can do the lot of stuff, right? So that is the thing. That's why I haven't created Discord community yet. Okay, but I don't know. Like I'll consider it. I'll consider. Today I will watch some videos on the Discord and I'll see if it is suitable to create Discord community. This username may be incorrect. Make sure you type it correctly. Otherwise, connect your admin. What could be seen a reason for this error? Extra ID. What are you talking about? What you talking about? Are you talking about the demonstration facility, or are you talking about the something else? Because I just closed the Google Meet, so I have to recreate the Google Meet to share my Mac screen. Please let me know what you're talking about. Okay guys, I think it's time. I have taken enough questions. If you have any questions, I will wait for 5 more minutes. Please ideas, I will create section for ideas. I will give the color for ideas to blue or purple. Orange is idea. I will give you orange, and I will create new category so that you can use it. Yes, category is created called ideas. You can use that. If you need help making a Discord, I can help you. Definitely, Stephen. Just message me, and rather than watching the video, if we can hook on the call, where you can explain me a little bit about the Discord over the call, showing me some settings and everything, then that will be great. Okay. And after this video chat, I am going to take few calls. A lot of people are waiting for a lot of days, so I'll just take their answers and chats. So yes, I'm available. We can have the call after this. Yeah, that's really great. Please, guys, like this video and make sure that you like this video, because once you like it, then only it will push in the YouTube searches. Otherwise, it will be end up in some dark area of the YouTube. Okay, I hope you guys got all of things I wanted to say, and you saw why I was not replying you on the Telegram in the last 3 days. A lot of people got angry, but that's the way, because no matter how much time I say I'm working on the project, just give me some space, people won't. Okay, and I have already given the community called fluxet.com for people to work on, but people are not putting enough, not enough people are putting on the questions there. On the personal, I get like daily I get around, I don't know, like more than 10 questions daily, more than 10 questions. And on the website fluxet.com, I get daily around how many, on an average, like uh, 3 questions per day I'm getting on the website, right? 3 questions per day is nothing as compared to what I'm getting on the personal. Sometimes I cross like 15 questions per day on the personal. Okay, so make sure that you use the website is designed for you. If it is like crazy sensitive, then only contact me on the Telegram. Otherwise, you can use this particular website to connect each other, to answer each other's question. And by the way, this database has grown like too much. Right now there are around more than 300 questions available on the website, which like common problems with the Evilginx, and all the answers are given already. And right now there are some experts people has become in the Evilginx, which are on this particular forum, which are helping other people's um, to basically solve their problems. Okay, so please check the website. Okay, yeah, so I think that's all. Okay, one last question. Yes, please ask the question. I'm here. I will take your last question, but ask it fast. Ask it fast, please. By the way, like this is like last 5 minutes of the stream, so please do one thing. Please hit the like button there, and please start supporting the project, because this is going to be the future of the uh, Evilginx like projects. Okay, this project is quite big. And in case you want to contribute, please drop your emails into the like GitHub emails into the my Telegram account, so that I can give the preference for you whenever the you know uh, project is coming on the public. Or I might share the source code with you guys for the beta testing or something. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, Bess, I think you are taking too much time to type. Okay. I try to use your demo on the fishlets, but on other website there is a lot of subdomain and domains. Yeah, so we cannot help with that. How many domains and subdomain other website has. What we can do is we can, like I try to creating the desired fishlet, but there is a lot of domains. Yeah, that happens. See, in the course I have given the way that how you can differentiate which domain or subdomain supposed to use in the fishlet and which not. Okay, I have give everything in, like given everything in the course really clearly, so please follow that. I totally understand that few website can have like really thing big things. Like for example, if you try to create the fishlet like Yahoo or something, you will find crazy hosts there, right? And in the fishlet, how many hosts are really important? Only 10 or 11 hosts, not more than that, right? So yeah, everything is explained detailed in the course. Please follow that, and don't get confused by seeing all of the hosts. I have given the shortcut also how you can use the burp proxy to basically make sense which one is to use and which one is not use. But lot of people, what they do is they will basically try to fast forward the course. They will think, okay, I know this, and I have bad habit. I can like plug in the important point anywhere scattered in the videos, right? So those who watching the videos like really step by step, one by one, completely without fast forwarding and all, then they will, then those are the guys will get all of the information that I want to share. Okay, great. Peace guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and don't forget to support this particular channel. Yeah, see you. Let me find the end stream button. I just got one message. Should I take it or not? Let me check what the message is. Yeah, thanks. Okay, guys. See you. Have a nice day.